How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fearless Technology. Do you have an Audi key that looks just like this one right here? Just looking at it right there, there we go. And does it have this little piece that just pops out just like that? Well, this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key. You're going to need a few things to change the battery. First, you're going to need like a small hard thing, so perhaps even a nail or a small eyeglass, a screwdriver, which I've got right here. And then it does help to have an X-Acto knife or even like a butter knife or something, which we're going to use to take the battery out. So those are the two things you'll need. It's actually very, very easy. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is when you pop open and have your key open just like that, if we look right into here, you can see right there, there's a little opening right there. So all we're going to do is just put our screwdriver or nail, whatever it is, and we're going to just push really hard to pop this door right here up. So we're going to go ahead and just press it right here. There we go. So I've popped that door up. Get it up as much as I can there by just pressing on it a little bit more. And then we're going to go to the back right here. And we're just going to put the screwdriver piece in here and we're just going to push it open. So we're just going to just pop it so that it comes open right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So there we go. Now that it's open, you can see it sitting up a little bit. And then all we're going to do is just now reach in and just kind of pry it open and it just pops right off. So you don't have to worry about it breaking. It's actually quite strong. And there we go. We see the battery sitting in there. The battery has the positive side facing up. So remember that. And we're going to grab our X-Acto knife right here. And we're just going to put it right into this side right here. And we're just going to pop the battery off. So there we go. The battery just flew out beside me here. But now the battery is open and off. We're going to grab our battery here. It is a 2032. I've got the Energizer 2032. I've linked it in the description box below if you want to pick one up if you haven't got one yet. So let's go ahead and just open up the battery right here. It just requires one battery, even though it comes as a 2-pack, but keep one as an extra for yourself. Let's go ahead and take that battery out. All right, so now that we've got our 2032 battery out, our brand new replacement battery, remember plus side is right facing up top. So we're gonna go ahead and just place it right in here. And we're just gonna go ahead and just push it down once it's in here. So we'll just go ahead, push it down. There we go. So it's nice and snug. It's within its holders there. It doesn't fall out if you just go this way. So we're good to go. And we're just gonna grab this cover piece and we're just gonna snap it back on very, very easily. So just line it up the same way that it came out and snap it back on all the sides there. And there you go. You've got your brand new working key and you can just go ahead and you can see the light right there. So we know that it's working perfectly fine. And that's how you change the key in this Audi key fob.